Artificial intelligence, AI, has the potential to transform many aspects of healthcare, from improving patient outcomes to reducing costs and increasing efficiency. Here are some examples of how AI is being used in medical applications. Medical imaging, AI is being used to analyze medical images like X-rays, MRI scans, and CT scans, to help doctors make more accurate diagnoses. Machine learning algorithms can be trained to recognize patterns in medical images that are difficult for humans to detect, enabling earlier detection of diseases like cancer and reducing the need for invasive procedures. Drug discovery, AI is also being used in drug discovery, helping researchers identify new drug candidates more quickly and accurately. Machine learning algorithms can analyze large databases of chemical compounds and predict which ones are most likely to be effective in treating specific diseases. Personalized medicine, AI can be used to analyze a patient's medical history, genetic data, and other factors, to develop personalized treatment plans. This can help doctors tailor treatments to individual patients, improving outcomes and reducing side effects. Remote monitoring, AI-powered wearable devices can monitor patients' vital signs and detect early warning signs of health problems. This allows doctors to intervene early and prevent serious complications. Medical records analysis, AI can be used to analyze large amounts of patient data, such as medical records and lab results, to identify patterns and make predictions about patient outcomes. This can help doctors make more informed decisions about patient care. Virtual assistants, AI-powered virtual assistants like chatbots can help patients access medical advice and support remotely, reducing the need for in-person visits and increasing efficiency. Overall, AI has the potential to transform healthcare by improving the accuracy and efficiency of diagnosis and treatment, and reducing costs. However, it's important to address ethical and social implications to ensure that AI is used in ways that benefit everyone.